So what we would expect somebody to receive from reviewing the magazine and all of its articles, as well as these video clips, would be the focus on what we do in the College of Agriculture and Natural Resources, specifically in the Wyoming Agricultural Experiment Station. And it's quite fitting that this year's reflection is themed Foundations, and the foundation, as one can see that is common throughout all the stories, is that our purpose as a land-grant institution is to disseminate practical science-based knowledge that can be applied by farmers, ranchers, and other forms of agriculturalists. And basically that's what the mission of the Agricultural Experiment Station is to provide that research and results from research to build that foundation of science then that could be used to increase knowledge of our producers, our students, and any other constituents.
Does every research dollar coming into the College of Ag and Natural Resources come through this office?
Actually, not necessarily. Basically what we have is a capacity program that was established by our Congress back in 1887, that those dollars flow through this office and are allocated appropriately. And then the other part that is allocated is the required state match for those federal dollars that are received. So all of those dollars are specifically tied to research projects. Then our office is also responsible for ensuring that investigators that are interested in applying for research grants, that they're aware of those grants that are coming up, and then we're also responsible for ensuring that researchers that apply for those grants follow the protocols that are developed by sponsored programs. So the branch that we are associated with is the research branch of the college, and so we're responsible for more or less oversight of all research activities.
How much, I guess, what was the dollar amount of funds that came through here like last year or however it is?
Sure. In terms of external awards, the College of Agriculture and Natural Resources would have received faculty and academic professionals that receive external awards would have received $13.5 million in extramural support. That's above and beyond the capacity funds and the necessary state match to operate our research infrastructure.
Doesn't the College of Ag rank almost every year among the highest at the university for research funds?
Absolutely. The College of Agriculture and Natural Resources faculty, when we are quite productive, and so what happens if you put the dollar amount on a per faculty FTE basis or faculty time equivalent basis, year in and year out, essentially the College of Agriculture and Natural Resources ranks #1. We may not bring in the most total dollars, but per member of our faculty, we typically rank